Hey guys, it's Wolf here. So in this video I want to talk about bullish indicators that I'm looking at that makes me really bullish on cryptocurrencies and really makes me look at the market that everything in the market right now is pretty much undervalued at this point in my opinion. And I think that it's getting more ridiculous as we roll into the bear market. And I just want to make this quick video talking about of what assets I'm buying right now, why I'm buying them, and I'm kind of like documenting my journey. In 2021, I turned $500 into over $300,000, and right now I'm building a massive portfolio for the next bull run. Like literally, I'm going to become a multimillionaire in the next bull run. So this is a very good channel to follow and subscribe into if you want to see kind of my journey, because I have understood that leaders, like the best leaders, are those who will just show what they're doing. Like a lot of people on the crypto space and they just talk. They just like, yeah, that is a. I want to show you, because if I'm doing it, I think it's great opportunity. I've been in tons of level 10 opportunities. I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars. I haven't hit my 1 million yet. Okay, I haven't made my first million yet, but I'm getting close to it. So that's why I wanted to start creating these videos where I want to show you and inspire you. If you're starting from freaking zero, great. I mean, that's great. Because that's the only way is up. Okay. And when I started, I in 2020 I was so broke I couldn't even buy a pack of noodles. Okay. So I know what it's like. I couldn't even literally buy a freaking noodles. I couldn't buy any. It was horrible. It was sad. Like I was getting bottles out of the ground and getting them for a couple of cents out of them. And it's just crazy. Anyway, but it's crazy to think about how fast everything changes if you just start taking action. So in this video, I want to really actionable steps on how you can improve your financial situations. Okay, so if you look at right now, the crypto space, okay, blue chip assets are literally down 70 to 99% from their all-time highs. Okay, so for me that smells like an opportunity, right? So basically all I do every day is crypto research. So when I go to bed, I do crypto research. When I wake up, I do crypto research. Throughout the day, I do crypto research. Like literally, I like it's becoming, at this point it's becoming like I don't get dopamine out of anything else. At later on at night I was like trying to chill a little bit here, but it becomes this kind of like a, I'm so intrigued by the opportunity level that we are right now. A lot of people can't see the opportunity right now in the bear market. A lot of people are either waiting for it to drop lower in the short term, or they're waiting, um, you know, um, or they have basically given up. That's basically the other option. Those people who are in the crypto space, you are either right now waiting for it to go lower so you can buy, right? Or you're about to quit. Okay, there's not a lot of people who are dollar cost averaging in, but I can guarantee those people who are dollar cost averaging in right now, they are going to be so rich in the next bull run. You know why I know this? I've seen it happen, like with my very real eyes. Okay, I've seen it happen. I've been here since 2017. I missed out the 2018 2020 bear market opportunity because I was so broke. If I would go back to 2020, so 2018 bull run, I would get some kind of job, and I would just get as much money as I can and dollar cost averaging in blue chip assets that are undervalued in the bear market. I would already have like hundreds of millions of dollars. But the good news here is that the next bull run is going to be orders of magnitude bigger than the last bull run. Okay, because it's an exponentially growing industry. That's why I'm very bullish and I'm very bold about my videos here when I talk about this. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but the probabilities are in my favor. Okay, one of my mentors said that so he talked about the odds are bitch. Like if you look at you always want to if you look at lottery, the chance of you winning a lottery is very small, very small. Okay, but if you stay in your circle of competence, if you Charlie Munger has this quote: "To get what you want, you have to deserve what you want. The world is not crazy enough a place to reward a whole bunch of undeserving people." Right? So if you stay within your circle of competence and you deserve, and you really do put in your work, you learn, you have knowledge, plan, and action, and you do that, and you keep doing that, keep pounding it. Charlie Munger, every billionaire basically says that just keep going, and if you are a continuous learning machine, you will get what you deserve. And I'm putting tons of work. I have made mistakes along the way, of course. A lot of basically everybody made tons of mistakes, but you can decrease your mistakes by listening to someone who already has made those mistakes, right? So that's why I'm creating these videos, because I want to share the mistakes that I made. So the biggest mistake that I made when it comes to cryptocurrencies is not learning about cryptocurrencies, that's first of all, and not taking action. And the third is just, I didn't build a portfolio. I was just buying one token or two tokens and hoping, like literally hoping. You want to cut hope out of your vocabulary when it comes to investing. You never want to hope, okay, when it comes to investing. It's hopeless to hope. It's true. Like if you people like, I hope I win a lottery. Like good luck with that hope, okay? So what you want, yeah, so here's a very, so this is the Intelligent Investor. This is the number one holy grail of investing books. So this is Warren Buffett's favorite books, and Benjamin Graham was his mentor, by the way. Mentors are really the secret to making crazy money, because you can copy success. If you know exactly how somebody got successful and you do exactly what they did, you also get that success. That's success leaves clues, and copy what works. It's truth. So this book talks about that. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger always use this. So in the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, the market is a weighing machine. Which means in the short term, people vote with their wallets. Right now in the bear market, they vote, no, I'm out right now. I don't want to lose more money, blah blah blah. But in the long term, the protocols that have real user adoption are cash flowing and leaders in the space. And they're actually solving a real problem and getting users. Even though people vote right now the price to down, but the real intrinsic value behind it is much bigger. So in the next bull run, it absolutely blows up. And right now the opportunity is because the prices are undervalued, but the intrinsic value is growing. Like think about this is a chart for the actual, the protocol, like the usability, user adoption, and cash flow. It's growing like this, but at the same time, the price is going like this, which leaves massive opportunity because the price is low, but the fundamental is high. So those are the protocols that you want to look. So this basically means that if the company and the protocol have real user adoption, also great management, it has to have a great management, okay? And cash flows, and it's literally 90% down from its all-time highs. Now it's time to build positions. Okay, you want to start building positions. My mentor taught me like, hey Wolf, like in the last bull run, de-risk. He was shouting de-risk for like 8 months straight, or something like 7 months or something like that. He was saying, hey, now it's bull market, de-risk, meaning sell and build your stable coin or cash position, right? So your crypto portfolio in the bull run went crazy. So now you sell and you get tons of cash, right? You cash out. And then in the next bear market, you have the cash positions. Then you decrease the buy with the cash flow, or not cash flow, but cash that you have stacked in the bull market. Now you deploy that cash in the bear market, and you build massive positions. So in the next bull run, it just again, when the bull run starts, start de-risking, boom, build your assets and cash up. So that's the game of the game, and it all loops because it's a psychology of a market cycle. A lot of people can't think this deep and don't understand what I'm talking about, even though it's just very fundamental. But I hope that you are listening to me right now, because if you are looking to become a millionaire very fast and very easily, because normally if you want to become a millionaire, you have to work. Like you have to work like hell. You have to, because you either have to you have to work a lot. Basically you have to start a business. The two ways to get rich is start a business or invest in the businesses, or because they produce value, or win a lottery, because which is not an option, by the way. So Elon Musk has this quote: so you get paid in the direct proportion of the problems you solve. So that's the only way to get money. Money is scarce in demand resources. So if you bring to the marketplace scarce in demand resources, because this is a capitalistic world, right, you will be rewarded with money. So it's very simple. So you want to basically look at scarce in demand resource crypto tokens, okay, and then just build the position slowly in this bear market, and the next bull run cash out like crazy, build cash reserves for the next bull run, right? So it's it's insane. It's really that easy. It's not as hard as people make it think. It just requires temperament. A lot of people look at you don't have to be very smart. I'm not the smartest person, definitely not. I'm smart because I can't remember who said, I appear smart because I'm standing on the shoulders of giants. These guys are giants. The Benjamin Graham. These guys are giants, okay? Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger. I'm standing on the shoulders of giants, and that's why I may appear smart, but I'm not that smart. And you can, whatever you want to do, you can do. You should do it in your life. Like, just take action. There's a lot of people who say, no, you can't do it, or you are too young, or you are too old, or you don't care about that. Just take action. Like, life is too short to be like, so you can just take action. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I'm dollar cost average buying every single month like a robot, like bam, bam, bam. I'm just buying. And but the good news for you is that right now is still an amazing time to start building your portfolio. Like, start building a managed portfolio that manages risk. Okay, so there's a good book about it called, and that's from, let me show you here. It's called The Most Important Thing by Howard Marks. He talks about managing risk. It's a very important. The portfolio, you build the portfolio because you manage risk. Okay, basically it's everything is risk reward. So, I'm talking about right now. The next bull run will probably, in my opinion, will start at 2024 to 2025. So don't wait too long to take action. Don't wait too long. The opportunities, are come, but then they go very fast. The opportunities when everybody else thinks that it's stupid. Okay, I learned this also from a mentor. He talks about, like, when you go to, you say to your neighbors your idea, and they think that, hey, it's a great idea. You are too late. But when you go say it, and they're thinking like, oh, what's wrong with this guy? Like, this guy, what is it? You are onto something. Think about if you talked about cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin back in 2011, 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16. People thought, yeah, good luck with that. Okay, so you see what I'm saying here? It's an opportunity. So right now, if you look at the markets, everybody is selling. The bear market is on. NFTs are doomed. Everything is just freaking to zero, right? It's opportunity. You know what? You know what that is? That's opportunity knocking.